Hello, I'm Johnnie C. Taylor Jr., President and CEO of SHRM, the Society for Human Resource Management. I am so excited to be a part of the upcoming Excel Training Conference on August 4th through the 6th. Now in its 23rd year, the Examining Conflicts in Employment Laws Conference has moved to a virtual format, but I know you'll find the experience more valuable than ever. Given the state of our workplaces and our world today, this learning event comes at the perfect time. Every day, we as workplace leaders wake up to new challenges as we help America's businesses and workforces navigate through uncharted waters. On every front, we're managing life-changing issues, a global pandemic, COVID, fluctuating unemployment, economic uncertainty, and a heightened urgency around inclusion and diversity. We in HR are the workplace first responders, so it's critical that we sharpen our skills and expand our knowledge of EEOC practices. We're also becoming keenly aware of the larger role workplace culture plays everywhere, right now. Starting now, employers' values and guiding principles will play a much bigger role in the decisions HR makes. Do we have the right ones? Do we have the right people to reflect them? Culture. Culture is what will predict recovery, resiliency, and ultimately success. I hope you will join me for this important learning and networking event. See you all August 4th. Thank you.